Hi, I'm gonna do like a summary of my previous video, at least the one that I have on Facebook because I have a couple of other ones on YouTube, but I'm just learning how to use YouTube and it's kind of messy right now. But my friend watched my video on Facebook and he was like, okay, I saw your video, but it's in French. And I promise I'm gonna do summary in English, even if my English is like terrible. That's why I was trying to get away with the video in French, but yeah, it didn't work out. Alright, so I was talking about the stereotypes and specifically the stereotype vulnerability means the way a stereotype affects people. And I choose to especially talk about the way stereotype affect Africans here. Not only because no, not because they're the only ones affected by it, because stereotype affect everybody. If I say Irish likes beers, it's not an African stereotype. So we all at certain point, um, we all at certain point experience stereotypes. But I wanted to talk about Africans especially because not because I have anything against globalization of social consent. No, I don't. But for now, I'm just gonna globalize with African, and then I'm gonna move on later. So I noticed that for um some of us, thank God it's not everybody, but for some of us, we kind of when at first we move here with a lot of criminal minds, with a lot of motivation, with a lot of goals, and then when we get here, there's cultural shock. That's true, but it's not only cultural shock. Besides cultural shock, we're gonna be experiencing a lot of other things, and it's even worse for those who have didn't speak English where they are from, because in Africa some countries those do have English as a language, maybe that they use in school or something like that, and some others don't, unfortunately. And then when you get here, first thing first, for some people, if you don't speak English correctly, maybe because you're not that smart. Yeah, I mean, it's not everybody, thank God for that, but from time to time you're gonna meet people they looking at you like, well, you can't even speak in English. And yes, you do. And then you're gonna have other people. Yeah, I have my neighbor here last Christmas. I told her that I have my friend coming for holidays, and he will get in Madison because he took a plane from Paris to Chicago, and then he took a bus from Chicago to Madison. So I told her that he could get here where I would still be at work. So if you see a stranger turning around the building or in front of my dog, probably going to be my friend. And she was like, are you sure he's not carrying Ebola? I don't know since how long my friend didn't go in Africa, but for in her mind was Africans equal they carry Ebola or a kind of Ebola carrier. Yes, that happens from time to time. But the issue here is the fact that even those people don't always say that in a way that they're trying to be nasty or being mean. It doesn't change the fact that those stereotypes affect the way we believe, affect the way uh, 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 we see ourselves. Because the thing with stereotype is that we're going to start seeing yourself through other people's eyes or through those people's eyes, the way those people see you. You're gonna start seeing yourself that way. And then for us, it's gonna be like, oh, you're gonna start thinking like, no, I can't make it. Oh, it's too hard, or that kind of thing. And that's where you start losing your motivation. That is where you're gonna start letting your dreams go. You're gonna if you have maybe a goal to become an engineer. I don't know. You're gonna start thinking that, okay, maybe if I end up like a construction worker, it's not gonna be too bad. Yes, it is too bad. It's not the same thing. It is too bad. So the good thing is that those researchers who work on stereotype, vulnerability, and all those things around stereotype traits and all that, they also find some solution. The first thing is you have to be aware of it. Means you have to know what a stereotype is. You have to know the way it affects people. When it affects you, you have to know what you can do about it. The second thing is you have to stay yourself. If you are Asian and then Asian are supposed to be very good at math, you're not going to try to be whatever. Or if you're African, because we're talking about African, don't try to be I don't know who, because it's never going to happen. You're not going to become somebody else. You can try as hard as you want, but it's not going to happen. You're going to stay African, you're going to die African. Maybe your children that you're going to raise here, some are born here and they grow up here, they may feel more American than African, but if you are case, you're going to die African. Nothing you can do about it. The other thing is find models. Mean people you can identify yourself to according to what you want to do and where you are going. Because it's harder if you have to be the first African going to the moon. Yeah, that's gonna be it's not impossible, but it's gonna be hard for sure. Now, if you already if you want to become a basketball player, you already have African playing NBA. Yeah, you just have to find some of them and then maybe talk with them if you can contact them, or just read their biographies or their stories. If you want to become a Lupita, then you have to think about how Lupita did, or the way she managed to overcome stereotypes and all that kind of thing. And that's going to also help you if the main thing is motivation. You have to keep yourself motivated. You have to wake up every morning and find the energy to stay motivated. And one of the things of doing that is to have to find yourself, you have to associate yourself with people with the same goal as yours, because people with different goals, it's not going to work out. So that was about the summary of what I wanted to say. I didn't feel like even the first video I said everything, but I just tried to make it shorter. I don't want people to spend all night watching a video. So that's it. Yep. My videos are not really clear, but yeah, that's my computer. Bye bye.